Here we're asked to determine the exponential function f of x in the form a times b to the power of x plus k. So an exponential function, we're going to have a horizontal asymptote at y equals 5, and then it goes through these 2 points. So we have some x and some y values. So in this one here, the way that we can go through this, first of all, if we're given the horizontal asymptote, that tells us our k value. So already here, it's f of x equals a times b to the power of x plus 5. So that's our first step. Second step is to take these 2 points. So my first one is 2 and 32, and I'm going to plug those values in. I'm going to take the second point and also plug those values in, which in this case here will give me a system of equations. So as I go through this problem, I'm going to start by using substitution. So I'm going to turn this equation into solving for a. So I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides to get 27 equals a times b squared, and then divide both sides by b squared to get a equals 27 over b squared. And so in this one here, I know a is this, so I'm going to plug that into my other equation, and then I'll have one equation with just b in it. So when I do that, I get 6 equals 27 b to the power of 5 over b squared plus 5. And now I'm just going to simplify and solve. So subtract 5 from both sides here. I'm going to cancel out these b's to get 27b cubed. Divide both sides by 27 and get b cubed equals 1 over 27. And then take the cube root of both sides to get b equals 1/3. So now that I know b as a number, I can plug that in to find my a value. So this one here, I have a equals 27 over 1/3 squared, which becomes 27 over 1/9. And then when I multiply 27 times 9, I believe that's 243 as my a value. And so final step here is just to go back and plug in that x and y, or the a and b value. So final function f of x equals 243 times 1/3 to the power of x plus 5, and that's my final equation.